At Elite Coastal Landscaping, we bring your outdoor lighting vision to life through our expert outdoor lighting design and installation services. To begin with, we will conduct a free consultation. Once we arrive at your home, we will discuss your needs to understand your specific vision, so we can illuminate it at night. Professional lighting guidance. With over 30 years of professional outdoor lighting experience, our expert designer's advice will always be tailored to each individual. Our goal is to create a stunning presentation for your home. We will show you how to achieve the perfect balance and appearance, ensuring confidence in your outdoor living investment. With a variety of colors and types of lighting options, we will help you achieve a remarkable outcome. Our installations will be meticulously designed and constructed for longevity, utilizing high-quality, durable lights. We take great care in the installation process, including proper depth in grass areas to prevent cut lines. Additionally, we ensure secure, corrosion-resistant connections. We work closely with our electrician, who can provide additional outlets and ensure the safety of all outdoor lighting installations. At Elite, we understand that each home has a unique character and charm. The various outdoor lights we have to choose from will highlight and enhance these features. Beyond simply illuminating your outdoor space, landscape lighting offers several benefits, making it an essential addition for many homeowners. Here are a few reasons to consider installing outdoor landscape lighting. For instance, highlight features. Strategic lighting allows your home's architectural details, such as landscaping elements like trees, gardens, and even water features to stand out. Illuminating your outdoor areas allows you to enjoy your patio, deck, or pool well into the evening, creating a more inviting atmosphere. Improved functionality. Guiding guests. Proper lighting will ensure guests can safely navigate your property, especially when arriving or leaving after dark. Adding another dimension to your property. Many LED landscape lights are dimmable, furthermore allowing you to adjust the brightness and ambience and save on electricity. You can create a beautiful, functional outdoor space that perfectly suits your needs. Let Elite Coastal Landscaping light up your home. Don't be left in the dark. Call us today for your outdoor lighting needs.